Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition in is used in various contexts to indicate location, time, surroundings, and other relationships between things in a sentence. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition in indicating location is used to suggest a location or position within limits or boundaries of something. Preposition in is used to suggest a location or position within limits or boundaries of something. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. Jane lives in New York. Jane lives in New York. The ball is in the basket. The ball is in the basket. Grandma is in the garden. Grandma is in the garden. Sophie was born in France. Sophie was born in France. 2. Preposition in indicating time is used to refer to a specific part of a day, month, year, or season. Preposition in is used to refer to a specific part of a day, month, year, or season. We go skiing in winter. We go skiing in winter. Hannah was born in 2001. Hannah was born in 2001. The wedding is in December. The wedding is in December. The meeting is in the afternoon. The meeting is in the afternoon. My parents were married in 1990. My parents were married in 1990. 2. Preposition in indicating time is also used to indicate a period or duration. Preposition in is also used to indicate a period or duration. The movie starts in an hour. The movie starts in an hour. The party starts in 2 hours. The party starts in 2 hours. I learned French in 6 months. I learned French in 6 months. The bus comes in 5 minutes. The bus comes in 5 minutes. Kate learned the dance in a week. Kate learned the dance in a week. 3. Preposition in indicating means or methods is used to refer to a way of achieving something. Preposition in is used to refer to a way of achieving something. They won the match in style. They won the match in style. Lisa painted the portrait in watercolors. Lisa painted the portrait in watercolors. Mark succeeded in cheating the system. Mark succeeded in cheating the system. Amy tries everything in a disciplined manner. Amy tries everything in a disciplined manner. The key to happiness lies in self-acceptance. The key to happiness lies in self-acceptance. Preposition in indicating surroundings is used to express the idea of being surrounded by or encompassed within something. Preposition in is used to express the idea of being surrounded by or encompassed within something. I sense a joy in the air. I sense a joy in the air. There is beauty in simplicity. There is beauty in simplicity. There is excitement in the crowd. There is excitement in the crowd. We can sense the tension in the room. We can sense the tension in the room. After rain, I feel freshness in the breeze. After rain, I feel freshness in the breeze. 5. Preposition in indicating particular state or condition is used to describe a state or condition of something. Preposition in is used to describe a state or condition of something. The flowers are in full bloom in the spring. The flowers are in full bloom in the spring. Emily is in a relaxed state after the vacation. Emily is in a relaxed state after the vacation. The project is in progress and nearing completion. The project is in progress and nearing completion. The house is in pristine condition after the renovation. The house is in pristine condition after the renovation. David is in good health after recovering from the illness. David is in good health after recovering from the illness. 6. Preposition in indicating inclusion is used to refer to something that contains or encloses. Preposition in is used to refer to something that contains or encloses. There is sugar in the jar. There is sugar in the jar. There is milk in the fridge. There is milk in the fridge. There is water in the bottle. There is water in the bottle. There are books in the bag. There are books in the bag. There are apples in the basket. There are apples in the basket. 7. Preposition in indicating membership is used to indicate being a part of a group or category. Preposition in is used to indicate being a part of a group or category. Emily is in the debate team. Emily is in the debate team. They are in the drama society. They are in the drama society. Lucy is in the photography club. Lucy is in the photography club. The cat is in the animal kingdom. The cat is in the animal kingdom. The plant is in the flowering category. The plant is in the flowering category. 8. Preposition in indicating shape, flavor, material, or color is used to describe something by its tangible or external features. Preposition in is used to describe something by its tangible or external features. I want this car, but in silver. I want this car, but in silver. The book is bound in red leather. The book is bound in red leather. We sell these tables also in round. We sell these tables also in round. Most of the flowers blooming are in red. Most of the flowers blooming are in red. The cake comes in multi-tier and in chocolate. The cake comes in multi-tier and in chocolate. 9. Preposition in indicating language is used to express proficiency in a language. Preposition in is used to express proficiency in a language. I am fluent in English. I am fluent in English. They are skilled in Mandarin. They are skilled in Mandarin. Maria wrote the letter in German. Maria wrote the letter in German. Manuel read the poem in Spanish. Manuel read the poem in Spanish. They communicated in sign language. They communicated in sign language. 10. Preposition in indicating mode of transportation is used to indicate the mode of transportation. Preposition in is used to indicate the mode of transportation. We travel to the city in a car. We travel to the city in a car. They sailed in a boat across the lake. They sailed in a boat across the lake. I traveled in a bus to visit my grandparents. I traveled in a bus to visit my grandparents. William commutes in a train to the city center. William commutes in a train to the city center. The goods are transported in a truck for delivery. The goods are transported in a truck for delivery. 11. Preposition in indicating expression or emotion is used to indicate a particular feeling or expression. Preposition in is used to indicate a particular feeling or expression. Juliet is in love. Juliet is in love. Lisa was in tears. Lisa was in tears. Ben was in shock after hearing the news. Ben was in shock after hearing the news. John was in awe of the breathtaking sunset. John was in awe of the breathtaking sunset. Sean was lost in thought during the entire lecture. Sean was lost in thought during the entire lecture. 12. Preposition in indicating expression of measurement is used to express a range or measurement. Preposition in is used to express a range or measurement. The height is in meters. The height is in meters. The weight is in pounds. The weight is in pounds. The distance is in kilometers. The distance is in kilometers. The area is in square meters. The area is in square meters. The speed is in miles per hour. The speed is in miles per hour. 13. Preposition in indicating belief or interest is used to express belief or interest in something. Preposition in is used to express belief or interest in something. They believe in equality. They believe in equality. George believes in magic. George believes in magic. Little girl believes in fairies. Little girl believes in fairies. Mark is interested in history. Mark is interested in history. I believe in the power of kindness. I believe in the power of kindness. 14. Preposition in indicating occupation or activity is used to denote one's occupation or the field of activity. Preposition in is used to denote one's occupation or the field of activity. Keith works in marketing. Keith works in marketing. They are in hospitality and run a hotel. They are in hospitality and run a hotel. Ray is in journalism and reports on current affairs. Ray is in journalism and reports on current affairs. Joseph is in medicine and specializes in cardiology. Joseph is in medicine and specializes in cardiology. My mom is in education and teaches at the local school. My mom is in education and teaches at the local school. 15. Preposition in indicating preposition phrases or idiomatic expressions. For example, in front of, in spite of, in between, in the end, in the dark, in a nutshell, etc. The car stopped in front of the house. The car stopped in front of the house. The books are in between the two boxes. The books are in between the two boxes. Robin succeeded in spite of the difficulties. Robin succeeded in spite of the difficulties. In the end, everything turned out to be fine. In the end, everything turned out to be fine. In a nutshell, the project was completed successfully. In a nutshell, the project was completed successfully. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.